everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to be planting 60 shrubs to form a hedge for some privacy along our fence line between us and our neighbours. Not that we have anything against the neighbours, but sometimes it's nice to have a little bit of privacy in your backyard. The plant that we've chosen for this is going to be Acmena, which is a dwarf or a compact lily pilly. Acmena grows between 3 to 5 metres high and 1 to 3 metres wide. It's a hardy plant that's very tolerant of different soil types. It's a drought resistant plant and fairly tolerant to different pests, so for us it made a good choice as it should be fairly low maintenance. Usually when we're doing things at our block, the scale is always on the large side, and this activity, no different at all. We're able to source 60 of these plants from a Sydney wholesaler at a substantial discount. The next trick, of course, was digging 60 holes for the planting. And as you can see from the video, we sort of had a little help with that. With all the planting done, it was now time to throw on some mulch. Little BX23 made short work of scooping up lots of mulch, throw it in the trailer, and away we went. Max the supervisor, always present on the big jobs. And that's it. Hedging done.